Hello, this is Ronald Bourgeois, and you're watching SkilletSkills.com. All right, let's look at chicken gizzards, which we talk about organ meat. And one advantage of cooking with organ meat, first of all, a lot of people have never tried it. It's delicious. The gizzards are usually something that you fry, or you can boil them and they get chopped up real finely and used with chicken livers in something like dirty rice or something like that. But if you just want to have the gizzard itself, that's usually something that's breaded and fried. And you can even get them if you go into areas of Cajun country. That some gas stations will be cooking this. You'll never see this anywhere else in the world. That's why Louisiana is such a banana republic. Anyway, so here are the gizzards, and you found these in the store next to these very familiar chicken livers. And if you look at the prices on this, very inexpensive. Okay. So something that you could do is make some fried chicken gizzards. And you know, there are healthy ways of eating organ meat. You know, fried foods, everybody's got their opinion on that, and it's something that you don't want to eat a whole lot of. But this is very tasty to have something like this once in a while. You'll really enjoy it. So the first thing you want to do is make an egg wash. You have to get these things put into the flour so they don't really stick. Okay, so take a few gizzards, put them in, and stir them around in your egg wash. So, and just start lifting them out and putting them in your flour. And all the flour has is got some kosher salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic, and put some crushed red pepper, and just a tiny bit of onion powder in there. And don't be afraid to get them on you because you're going to. And just roll them around. I'm just going to make a few to give you the idea. Push them off to the side when you get them nice and battered up. Put one in there. Bring them over to your frying station. Alright, so just walk over here and lay them in. And that's it. You floured them up, you stuck them with the egg wash so the flour adheres to them. You put the oil in for shallow frying into your pan. You don't have to have really deep frying for this. You just have this kind of frying. And then like that. Alright, so here's the liver. And the same thing, you just kind of get it well coated in this seasoned flour that you made. That's really all it is. It's messy work. But you pull it out of the egg wash and just make sure you get it all covered. You want to go back into the same oil that you did these gizzards in. A little different flavor. Chicken livers are absolutely delicious, but we'll flavor differently. Softer, creamier flavor. And then just lay them in carefully. Again, you can do these deep fried either way. I'll do them with less oil, but this up to you. Okay, this is just the gizzard liver combination we ended up with, and it's very simple. Just We did it in a basic egg wash and flour and fry, and we did it in a shallow frying method, so we didn't have to do deep frying. And it came out, what do you think, pretty good? And the organ meat here, gizzards and livers, very inexpensive, very easy to obtain, and very easy to prepare. Just wouldn't want to be eating this kind of thing every day, but certainly something new and different if you haven't tried it.